Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of succulents with one of the best offerings from Hirts Gardens, the zebra plant. Also known as Haworthia fasciata. This small but stunning succulent is renowned for its ease of care and striking appearance. Let's explore what makes it a must-have for any indoor plant enthusiast. First off, let's talk about its design. The zebra plant features beautiful green leaves adorned with white horizontal stripes, resembling a zebra's pattern, hence the name. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces like desks or windowsills, adding a touch of nature to any room without taking up much space. Now, let's get into the care essentials. One of the reasons why the zebra plant is so beloved is its low-maintenance nature. Here are a few care tips to keep yours thriving. This particular zebra plant is from Hirts Gardens, a small business known for their dedication to quality plants. Supporting small businesses like Hirts Gardens not only gets you a great product but also supports local and sustainable practices. While there are other options out there, the combination of beauty and resilience that the zebra plant offers truly sets it apart. In conclusion, if you're looking for a beautiful, low-maintenance addition to your indoor garden, the zebra plant from Hirts Gardens is a fantastic choice. Its striking appearance and ease of care make it suitable for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts alike. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. See you next time on Product Critique.